Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about accent and rules for accentual patterns in English language. The word composed of one or more phonemes has a separate linguistic identity. It is a commutable entity higher than the phoneme which may either constitute a complete utterance or may be substituted in a longer utterance for other words of its same class. The accentual pattern of English words is fixed in the sense that the main accent always falls on a particular syllable of any given word. It is free in the sense that the main accent is not tied to any particular situation in the chain of syllables constituting a word. Thus, the main accent falls regularly on the first syllable in such words as finish, answer, afterwards, on the second syllable in such words as behind, result, together, impossible, on the third syllable in understand, education, or later in articulation, palatalization. The patterns of word accent in English are not well organized. In some cases, a pattern different from that is British received pronunciation. For example, the feature of change in accent according to the function of the word is not always found in Indian English. Absent is generally accented on the first syllable, both as an adjective and as a verb. Object is accented on the first syllable, both as a noun and a verb. Here, some other examples of word accentual patterns in Indian English that diverge from received pronunciation. Conduct, develop, activity, already, correct, expect, hotel, industrial, mistake, occur, and prefer are accented on the first syllable by some speakers instead of the second. Atmosphere, industry, minister, record, refuge, return, and yesterday are accented on the second syllable by some speakers instead of the first. It is necessary to use the correct pattern of word accent when talking to native English speakers because ring word accent, that is, one different from that used in native English, is the most frequent cause of the unintelligibility of Indian English. Here are a few rules for accentual patterns in English words. The first rule is all English words have some accent, primary or secondary, on the first or the second syllable. The second rule is words with weak prefixes are accented on the root and not the prefix. Example, abroad, across, admit, advise, ahead, alone, allowed, amount, apart, attend, below, between, compose, correct, develop, expect, occur, prefer, reduce. The next rule is the inflectional suffixes such as es, ing, ed, and certain derivational suffixes do not affect the accent. Age DOM, EN, ER, ESS, FUL, FLY, LESS, LET, LY, MENT, NESS, OR, SOME, WARD. In the shown examples, for the word match, ES will be the suffix and the resulting word will be matches when read together. Similarly, for the words such as beginning, wanted, etc., the respective suffixes ing and ed do not affect the accent. The fourth rule is words ending in ION have the primary accent on the last syllable, but one example: application, civilization, composition, conversation, cultivation, determination, examination, imagination, introduction, qualification. The fifth rule is words ending in IC, ICAL, ICALLY have the primary accent on the syllable preceding the suffix. Example: apologetic, electric, electrical, grammatical, patriotic, political, politically, scientific, sympathetic, sympathetically. The sixth rule is words ending in IN, ITY are accented on the syllable preceding the suffix, that is on the third syllable from the end, the anti-penultimate syllable. Example: activity, curiosity, electricity, equality, generosity, morality, necessity, originality, possibility, probability. The seventh rule is words ending in IAL, IALLY have the primary accent on the syllable preceding the suffix. Example: artificial, ceremonial, confidential, confidentially, essential, essentially, industrial, memorial, official, presidential. The eighth rule is in words of more than two syllables ending in ATE, the primary accent is placed two syllables before the suffix, that is on third syllable from the end. Example: complicate, cultivate, educate, fortunate, separate. The ninth rule is words ending in IAN are accented on the syllable preceding the suffix. Example: electrician, librarian, musician, politician. The 10th rule is words ending in IOUS are accented on the syllable preceding the suffix. Example: anxious, industrious, injurious, laborious, luxurious, rebellious, victorious. These are the 10 rules that should be kept in mind relating to accent in the English language. With this, I conclude my video. Thank you for watching this. For more videos, subscribe to Money Osai. Do click the bell button for more video from us. Thank you.